Over triangles today. So, okay. So now down here, you notice a triangle has okay, triangle has three sides, right? It can be here, here, here. Okay, if you see the word base, base means what? The bottom, okay. So
Sure. This one
yes,
P6 book or P5 book?
P5.
P5.
P5 book. So this one now is the bottom. Okay. Have you done this, Raidi? You done?
I did a SOS of it. Am I too loud?
No, you did a what? F of F is what?
SOS, yeah, SOS.
What's FOS?
SOS, the student learning space.
Oh, okay. All right. So now
HBL. Yeah.
HBL. Okay, now. So base can be here. If let's say I turn the paper around, this side can be now the base. If let's say I do like that, okay, I'm looking now at another angle, right? Now this side can also be a base, depending on how I see. All right. So, okay, but anyway, in order to know what the height is and all, Akil, come turn on your video. Akil, where is what happened to Shafia?
I think she disconnect.
Disconnect. I'm just afraid that they will miss out. They will. Okay, never mind. If they come in again, there's three girls actually supposed to come in now, but
Can I on the fan? Can I on the fan?
Yours, please on the fan. Okay, just on the fan. Akil, how are you, Akil? I'm not seeing you for two times, I think, next 2 weeks in class.
What?
Not seeing you for 2 weeks in class.
Yeah, chill, because you sick.
You sick? I was sick.
You sick.
Last week I was sick. Okay. So anyway, if let's say you want to find the height is always going from the top part of the triangle to the base, and must meet at 90 degrees lah. Okay. So we'll try lah. Can we try now? You'll try to see what is the now. Can you try for question number 1, A and B? Can you name your type and key in? What ABCD? What is the base? So you can see here. You key into your answer, okay? Okay.
Is it correct?
It's not correct. If you say PQ, you see this doesn't reach a 90 degrees. It must, this one sengat. You want to meet the base at 90 degrees. You must go down like that. So let's see what happened.
Am I correct?
Yes, now you're correct.
Oh. Okay.
So you must meet at 90 degrees, okay? What about Akil? Akil, turn on the video. Akil, what about you? Your ABCD. So you'll try for ABCD. Make a guess how it is. If you need to turn around your thing, please turn around. Okay. So come, Naomi, Shafia, and Akil, come. We are going to. All right, so let us see now. This now I'm just going to repeat because you all missed this first part. So down here now, if we have a triangle like that, the base is the bottom part. Normally lah. The height must meet the base from the highest part. Highest part is here. You go down, must meet the base at 90 degrees. This here is the height. All right, and this here is the base. You can turn the triangle and this one can be the base. Then the height will be different. then you can choose this one to be the base. The height can be different. So you guys try to find out your ABCD. What is the base? Base
Correct
must,
for B.
okay, let me check.
Uh,
Base must meet the height at 90 degrees. So if you all can't get this, then we can't move on, you see. Let's see now. You got two answers. So which one is, the height is AB. So your BC. Okay. So if your base normally can be down here, right? But in this case, you must turn it around because it must meet the height at 90 degrees. So now I know some of you are starting to feel confused now. If this is the height, can you see? You take this to be the height, and then you choose the base down here. Can you see that it doesn't meet at 90 degrees? This here is not 90 degrees. So this cannot be the base. You got to turn the paper around. There is another side that can be the base. You got to choose another side.
I forgot that I have to turn my body, not the computer.
Yeah, I mean, you can turn your body, or you can imagine like you can draw on a piece of paper and then you turn the paper. So Naomi, are you okay? We are now trying to find two parts of a triangle. One is called a base, one is called a height. Okay, normally the base, okay, down here, let's say the height is R cube. This is the height. Okay, where's the base? The base must meet the height at 90 degrees. What is that? That means now, if I am going to draw this triangle and make it stand, make a proper height down here. This is the height, right? So the base must be at the bottom here. So base at bottom is where? It must be like that. Can you see this? So this part is now the base. Can you see now? I make it stand. Then can you see this red part is here? The green part is supposed to stand like a height. Can you see? So this is the base. I'm drawing this, the base and the height. Okay, I do not know whether you know what I'm talking about, but let's try. Can you try? Confusing, Is it confusing? Confusing, Okay, we try down here. Come on, we try down here. So now down here.
Is my answer correct? Is my answer correct for number 2?
Number 2, what is your answer? Hold on. What's your answer? AC.
BA.
BA is not. BA and AB is the height. Okay, but never mind. Okay. So now, normally, base means bottom.
What about CA? Is CA correct? Yes, is CA.
CA. CA is correct. Okay, now. Base means bottom. Base means bottom. Normally. So now, if you have a triangle, normally this one is the base. Okay, so normally when the base is there, the height will meet the base at 90 degrees like that. So this is the height. This is the base. But sometimes you can turn the triangle this way so that now the base is here. Okay, the base is here. You sengatkan the base. If the base is here, the height got to be like that. Because the height and the base must meet at 90 degrees. Okay, so if you have a triangle down here, if this is the base, you must put the ruler like that until it reaches the highest point. Oh, this is the height. You can see now. Now down here, this is the base. You push your ruler until you reach the height. Oh, this is the height. You can see now. So you use your ruler to push along the base. Or if they say this is the height, you want to find where's the base, you push along the height, you can get the base. Okay, we try. Headache, Akil, headache, Akil. Akil, are you okay? We try again, we try again, Where is my file? Okay, this one, if you don't get it, your whole triangle concept is going to be upside down. So you have to try your best to understand. Now down here. Okay, you try now. Let's see now. We just look at one down here. They tell us that the height is here. This is a height. Okay, so you say, but I don't understand. Height is what? What is that? Okay, this is where you stand.
I found the
Let's say
answer.
you found the answer. Okay, we'll check in a moment. This is a height. This is how the person will stand. What person will stand? Imagine the person is standing around here. Can imagine. Can you see not? Imagine the person is standing around here. Can see not? The person is standing up here. So where must be the ground, the base? Can you see the person is standing here? They're asking you where is the ground. If you see a person standing here, where is the ground? Always the person must stand on the ground like that, right? Always. The ground will be here lah. Right? Always. But if they show you the picture terbalik like that, you must find where is the ground. Where is the ground, you think? You have to choose lah. Okay, Raidi, where do you think the ground is?
If the person is standing like that, the ground will be G.
G, down here. So you find out what is this. What is this? Okay, down here, see, can you see DE? DE is the ground lah. Let's say now, if I'm gonna draw it again, I'll draw it. I'll show you again. Down here now, if this is the person standing, I draw the person standing. You see down here. So this is the man standing. If you want to draw the man standing, you can draw the man standing down here. Then you draw the head, the hands. So this down here must be the ground down here. Can you see that? So now when they ask you what is the base, they're asking you where is they are standing on the ground. Ask you the height, they ask you for the man. So down here, the answer is very simple.
Wait, I think I know how to do.
Okay, so you try. Okay, we our erase the thing. You try now from the beginning again. We try from the beginning. You see whether can you do now. So now they tell you height RQ. This means this is the man. This is the man. This down here is the man. Okay, can you fill up A, B, C, D? What is the base? What is the base? And so on. What is the base? Okay, PR. Okay. Cannot. 2CA. Okay, I think you're getting it ready. The rest, try to get it. You try to draw the man. Height means you draw the man. Okay. So you must decide, you draw the man like that, like this, or you draw the man terbalik this way. Which side? If you draw the man like this, that means down here will be the base. But if you draw the man like that, terbalik like that, like this, can you see you have a problem down here? Because this one is sengit. We do not want sengit. We want it to be straight. So because of that, we draw the man like this. You see? Can you see now the land is straight now, 90 degrees. So this is the base. Okay, Shafia, you know what I'm talking about? If you see height, you draw the man. You must draw the man like that. This man, you draw straight. Make sure that he's standing on a ground that is straight. Straight how? Like that. That means when you draw a line down, it's 90 degrees down here. Can you all draw in the, you imagine, Okay, now we go one by one. We're going to ask you one by one. Akil, what is this now is the height down here. This one is the height, the man. The man is here. Must the man stand, which one is the base? If they stand like that, or you must choose, he stand like that. You have to choose, If you say you stand like that,
BC.
C what? CB.
CB or BC.
CB or BC is the same thing. If you say this is the man, okay, now I draw. You say the man stand like that. Can you see the man is saying it? No, no. The land is angle. Now I go reverse. Watch. I draw the
If
man.
B,
Is B. Okay, this is the man. Let's see now. Now I draw the man like that. Can you see the man is standing straight down here? That means AC is the correct one. This is the base. Why? Because the man is standing on the straight ground. Can see now. So the answer down here is this is AC. This one down here is PR or RP. Now you try now. Okay, Shafia, this down here is the height. Where is the base? Is DF the base? Is FE or EF the base or DE the base? You must remember, you must draw away that the legs is standing on the ground straight. Can you see now?
Sure.
Yes.
I think I found D.
Okay, what's the answer?
For D, I got PN.
PN. Okay, let's see. What about the rest now for C? For C.
Oh, I forgot.
What's your answer?
DE.
DE. Okay, let's
Yes.
see. Okay, now we take, if you do not know how to use this way, you got to use a ruler. When you use a ruler, you know the ruler is like that, no. They have a 90-degree angle. If you put a ruler like that, now I put a ruler like this. Can you see now? If you put the ruler down here, I can make a 90 degrees. So that means this must be the base. Down here must be the base. Okay, not? Confusing, I do not know whether you're confused or not, but let me just check. I'm going to check your anyone who sent the answer.
I feel so happy.
You feel so happy? Why?
I think I got C correct.
Okay, let's see. Okay, we go one by one. Just for a while. Shafia, what do you think the answer is for this one? Where is the base?
G.
G. Okay, means this line here, is it? Okay, G, this line. You are saying this line, and you are correct. Okay, if you say this is the line, but you don't call this line G, you call it DE. Okay, you are correct. Because when we draw the man, when we draw the man, you can see that the man is standing nicely on the ground on here. Very nicely. It's a straight line. Okay. Now, if you say now that let's say now you say no, I think down here is the base. Then how is the man going to stand? How are you going to draw the man? You can only draw the man like that, no? The man will become like that. You can see not. The man standing. This is not the height, so cannot. If you say now down here is the base, how you draw the man? The man going to draw the man like that. What? Can you see now? The man is not standing in the height. The height is down here. So the only answer is actually down here, DE. When you draw the man is standing on a height on here. Can you see? It stands nicely. Okay, we try now the next one. Raidi has given the answer already. So we ask Shay, Akil or Naomi, what is the answer for question D? Okay, I just erased the whole thing. Okay, what's the answer for question D? Naomi, do you know? Raidi, what do you say?
I say it's PN.
He says PN, this one. Okay.
Yes.
Anyone else? Let's see. Akil, what is the base? Akil. Shay Akil.
FE.
FE. What is it? This one, question D. Can you see if they give the height down here, you can draw the man. You can draw the man down here. Now draw the man, you can draw like this is standing out like that.
Q and N.
PN is correct because it's standing on a straight floor and this one is 90 degrees. Well done, PN. But if let's say you draw terbalik, you say, nah, draw, the head must be down here. Can you see that the man is not cannot stand around here? This is not straight. So the answer is correct, is PN. Okay, we try, okay? We got to make sure that you know what it means. So down here is PN. If you take a ruler, you put a ruler, can you see very nicely? You can get 90 degrees here. If you put the ruler here. Okay, we try now. Question, this one a little bit tricky, question E and F. Okay, you write down what you think the base is and then you send me, you type in and send me, please.
Wait. Do you consider the
Yeah, correct.
covered part?
You're correct. Your answer is correct. Your answer is correct. Let's see what about the rest.
They are getting correct.
Okay, we are wait, hold on now. What about the rest?
I thought too fast.
What? Okay, now down here, this is
Mr. Shahid,
Mr.
yes,
Shahid.
yes,
are we doing question E?
yes, E down here.
Mr. Shahid,
Yes.
I did both of them
Uh-huh.
under 1 minute.
Under 1 minute, huh?
Yes.
Okay, let's see
Both.
whether you're right. Okay, congratulations, you got it. I think you've already gotten it ready. So we got to get the rest. Akil and Nayumi now. We are going to ask you now, where is the base? And also Shafia, this now is the person. You either draw the man like that, if you're going to draw the man, or you draw the man, you got to decide lah, which one is it? Okay, this is the man. Or you draw the man the other way. Okay. If you draw the man down here, can you see not? He can stand down here. So down here now, you can draw a straight line. So we take this is actually the base. HJ. See, why is HJ? Well, because this is a Senget triangle. It's a Senget triangle. Okay, we have the triangle down here. See, this is the height down here. So the height is here. If I draw the man down here, watch. I draw the man. Can you see now? This part is the flat land here. So down here is the base. The base is YX.
Oh, I understand now. I understand.
Okay.
I understand.
Yeah. If you draw it the other way, it's not straight. Okay, you see, if I draw now the man the other way, down here, I put the head here, you go down. Can you see now the land is senget lah? He's going up a hill. If you look at it carefully from the other side, you turn your head, he's going up a hill. We do not want him to go up a hill. He must be on a straight land. Then can you see he's going up a hill? It's very difficult for him. He must be on a straight line. So down here will be YX. Okay, that's the base. Never mind, we'll try. We got more practice, okay? But okay, let me just move on. Okay.
Did someone disappear?
I think one person disappeared.
Sure, E is what?
E, hold on now. E down here, okay. You tell me now, which one you think, Akil? Which one is the height? That means you can draw the man like that. You see? When you draw the man down here, can you see? The tanah is rata down here. Can you see that? That means tanah rata means this one down here. Because there's a triangle here. This line, but down here only there's a height, so it's HJ. Okay. This is the base. Okay, now we'll try, okay? We try in the next one. Naomi, okay, we try the next one. Naomi, you try also. Now they give you the base and they ask you where's the height. Okay, base means they give you the tanah. They tell you down here, this is the base. So how is the person to stand? You got to decide. Where is the man? Where is the man? This is now the tanah. Okay, where is the man? Is the man down here? Is the man down here? Is the man down here? Let us see now. We have Mr. Raidi. Raidi says PN. PN, hold on. PN, there's no PN, Raidi. Where's the N? There's no PN.
I put PQ.
PQ, but PQ is the base already. Right? They give you the base is PQ.
Oh, PQ is the base.
Down here they look base is PQ. So where is the height?
Oh.
TQ.
PQ is the base, the tanah. TQ down here. But this one is not meeting at 90 degrees. It must meet at 90 degrees. So you must use your ruler. Put your ruler on top of the base. Means the side of the ruler you put down here like that, and then it goes up like that, right? Your ruler go up like that, right? Then you know where is the height? You look 90 degrees here. What do you think is the height? Which one is following this? If you move this ruler, it'll be just nice. Can you see now? It goes up here.
PR?
No, SR.
Oh,
SR. Can you see now? If you look carefully now I draw the man. Can you see I can draw the man here? The man stand on the tanah. Can you see now? The man stand on the tanah. Where is the tanah? Tanah is PQ because it's the base. Can you see now? Shafia can see now. Naomi, can you see? Down here, I'm drawing this. Base is supposed to be the land.
okay, I understand now.
Normally, when you draw like that, right? The man is. Now they give you tabalik, They give you the land tabalik. So let's say now this is the man. Oh yeah, I can see. But now sometimes they draw the land like that. Means down here is the land. So how that Spider-Man Spider-Man stand on the wall. Spider-Man stand on the wall become like that, you see? Can you see now Spider-Man? Down here now, if this is the base, this one is the height. Then sometimes they give you like that. Spider-Man on top of your boom, your ceiling. Spider-Man stand up on the ceiling like that. You see, Spider-Man stand up on the ceiling. This is like that, Spider-Man. You must imagine Spider-Man is walking. So this is the height. This one is the base. This is the base. This one is the height. Okay? You try now the next one now for B. They tell you the base, you see BC. BC, I underline the base for you. Now this is the wall. Spider-Man must stand how?
Height is
FA.
FA. Your agree is FA?
AE.
AE. AE is down here. But where is the land? His leg must touch the land. His leg must touch the land. Must touch the land. That means must touch this line.
FA.
Which of this line touch the line? Is it E, A,
EC.
F? Yeah?
FA.
DC. Okay. Hold on. One by one. This one, yes. Okay, now, if you say DC, look, Spider-Man. Cannot see that Spider-Man is going up the hill. We don't want him to go up the hill. He must be rata. Must be standing rata. So how?
You're glitching.
This is now the land. No? This is the wall. Okay. Raidi say AF. Can you see AF? Is it correct or not? Oh yeah lah. AF is just nice. Can you see he's standing just nice on the wall here? Can you see not? If you cannot see, you turn the thing around. You turn it like that. You can see. This one, sometimes you need to turn the paper, Okay, we try the next one. Okay, we give each one question to do.
This one.
Okay, the first one, Akil is C. Okay, D is Shafia. E is Naomi. No, E is what's the name? Raidi. F is Naomi.
And D.
Huh?
D.
D is who is it? Shafia. Akil is C. Akil. Now I underline for you where they say the base. Now how do you know the base? There, PM. So this is the base. Where's the height? Akil. Guess. Do you think I give you a few? This height now, when he stand, it must be on a straight line like that. This is part of the straight line. You must put the leg on the wall. So which one? Down here, there is no triangle. Can you see? This no triangle. It's only here. Is it this one? Is it this one? A, let's say down here. Is it B down here? Or is it C down here? You have to choose. One of them is your answer, A, B, or C. If you cannot see, I will draw it in different color. Okay. Is it the green line over here? Is it the blue line over here? Or is it the purple line over here? Remember, the leg must touch it at 90 degrees. Only one of them touch at 90 degrees. Which one, Akil? Green, blue, or purple? Which one touch this one at 90 degrees?
Purple.
Purple, correct. So the answer is RN. This is the height.
RM.
RN. Okay, now we ask Miss Shafia. This is the base here. Okay, hold on. We let everyone get a chance to try, okay? Okay, this is now the base. BC is the base. You see CB. Now down here, there's no triangle. The triangle is only here. So Shafia, there's 3 lines now that can be the height. Is it the yellow one here? Hold on. Is it the orange one here? Or is it the green one here? It must meet the base at 90 degrees. Which one is meeting at 90 degrees, Shafia? The yellow, the orange, or the green? Yellow, orange, or green? 90 degrees. You know what's 90 degrees? 90 degrees means like that. They normally have a square. Which one?
Green.
Green, yes. So down here, this was AB, is it? A what? What is A? Sorry, I didn't see this. AE, okay. So AE is the line. Okay, correct. Well done. The green one, that's not the green. This is the height. See, so now you're getting the height. Maybe it's easier for you to find the height. So AE is the height. Okay, now we ask Raidi, is it? Raidi, your turn is next. So hold on, let me just rub it off and then come back again. Raidi, now, the base is JK. Now I'm going to draw JK for you. JK. JK Rowling down here. Where's the height? Down here there's no triangle. The triangle is down here. So now I draw 3 lines for you. You choose now. Is it the yellow? Is it the orange? Sorry. Sengit. Is it the orange? Or is it the red one? Which one to you? Which is the height, Raidi? Yellow, orange, or red?
The height is green, cause the
But green is the base. JK is the base.
not sorry. Wait. It is orange.
Orange. Okay. Orange down here is not 90 degrees. The one 90 degrees is the
And red.
LN. Because it must meet at 90 degrees. Okay. So now we go now to the next one now. Nayumi.
Widget.
Hold on, Nayumi. Now SU is the base, Nayumi. Down here, there's no triangle. Don't look at this side. Only here now. Okay, you decide, Nayumi. What is the height? Is the green one the height? Okay, or is it the blue one the height? Where's the blue one the height? Okay, or is it the pink one that's the height? Nayumi, the clue is it must meet at 90 degrees. Which one is the height, Nayumi? The green, the red, blue, or the pink? Naimi, no answer. Okay, what about Akil? What do you think it is, Akil? Which one is the height? This one is the base. Is it the green, the blue, or the pink? Must meet at 90 degrees.
VS.
VS. VS is not here. There's no triangle here. It's the pink.
No, US.
US. US is the base. This is the Tana. Which one
WT?
meets WT? Yes, WT meets. See, WT meets it meets this line here. If you extend this line, it meets at 90 degrees. Now, I know it's a little bit confusing and it's a little bit difficult. You know why? Now, because we are on Zoom. I cannot I cannot get you to draw. I must get you to draw actually. So, never mind. We try. Yeah. We try and see how it goes now. So now they ask you, down here, the base is AB. And the height, okay, don't worry about it. We don't. Down here. You try now. Question A, B, C, D. Where is the height? Height is normally the man. This is now Tanah. Where's the Mambang Tanah? The man standing. You know Mambang Tanah? I do not know whether you watch P. Ramlee show. But it's like the man. It's the man. So we ask Shafia for this one. If this is the base Shafia, where is the height Shafia? Okay, this one Shafia does. Shafia. This one Akil. This one is Mr. Raidi. This one is Nayumi. Okay, so let's see. Shafia, once you're ready, where is the height?
AC.
AC, congratulations, well done. You see, we draw the man. The man stands very nicely down here. Can you see that? Very nicely. Well done. This is the tanah lah. So this is Mambang Tanah. Yeah, something like that lah. Okay. Can you see that it's standing nicely? And this is 90 degrees. The height and base must meet at 90 degrees. You see, I cannot see the 90 degrees. Okay. Now you can see. Okay, you can see there. This is the base. The height reached at 90 degrees. So AC, congratulations. Now we go to the next one, Akil. Where is the base? This one is the height now. Where is the base? This is the man. Where is the tanah?
FE.
FE, correct. Okay, we take the whole thing again. Correct. GE, we put GE. FE is half of the triangle. Okay, GE, we take the whole thing. Don't just take sebelah pantat. Cannot. You know sebelah pantat? You know what I'm talking about? This bottom is like backside like that. Okay, so down here now is like one bum, another bum. You know, I only like the right bum. Why? Okay, you must take the whole bum. Okay, take the whole bum. I'm just talking like that so you remember. Congratulations, GE. Well done. Well done. Now we ask Mr. Raidi. MK. Okay, base is here. Okay, he says MK. So MK is where?
It's a baby.
Yeah, correct. Can you see it reaches 90 degrees? Congratulations. MK is the height. Can you see that the man now is standing at 90 degrees on the land? This is the tanah now. This is the tanah. Can you see that? So the tanah down here is standing. The man is standing down here nicely. Well done. Now the last one. We ask Nayumi. Nayumi, where's the base? They have given you the height now. They've given you the height. This is the height. This is the man standing. I draw. I'll draw. You can see clearly. If you can't see clearly, I'll draw the man. Okay, Nayumi, this is the man, Nayumi, standing the height like that. Where is the tanah? Nayumi, are you there? If not, Akil, you want to try, Akil?
Answer.
Nayumi, what's the answer? Where's the base?
MK.
ML. ML. ML is actually the height. They give you the height, ML. The man. So the man must be standing. This is the man, standing. Where must he stand on for it to be straight? You want it to be straight. He must be standing like that. So what is this line? What is this line? This is the base. What's the base? Look at the triangle. Can you see that? The base is this line on here. Okay. Because that one is the height. Can you see that? Do you get what I'm talking about? Down here is here. If I draw down here, ML, they tell you this is the height. So I can draw the man down here. Why do I draw the man? So that I can find out where the height is. You see? Now I draw the man. You can see the man down here. See, I draw the man. He's standing down here. Let's say just draw like lollipop lah. Like lollipop. Then you can see, oh yeah, 90 degrees down here. But is it what? You got to make a decision. Is it KN or KM? You must make a decision. Look again. Is it KN or KM? Raidi, what do you think, Raidi? KN or KM?
NK.
NK.
KN.
Why? Because down here got no triangle. The triangle is only until here. This is imaginary line. So down here now is this is the base KN. Okay. So now we try the next one. We move on to the next one. Okay. If you don't get it, it's okay. We will revise again. We will revise again. Now anyone can do this one now. Where is the height for E? Where's height? Where's the base for F? You can key in your answer. You can key in your answer. You know, we are taking 45 minutes just to do this. Very important, because some students at primary 6, they still don't know. At Sec 1 also, they don't know. So you must be very clear. What is the base? What is the height? You must know.
Sure, I still don't know.
Understand? Okay, no problem, no problem. So now,
Is my answer correct?
okay, you answer. Let me see. Where is the N? There's no N. Oh, sorry. I can't. Okay, let me see. Hold on. Oh, sorry. PR. Yes, but it's not R, because R there's nothing there.
So is my answer correct or wrong?
Your answer is partly right. It's not correct. Okay, now, so we see. Now let's say we draw. Where do they say the height, the base is? Base is here. No, base is here. This is the land. This is the tanah. How do you draw the man? You must draw the man like that, nah. Correct or not? So which one is like the man? Is like PS, QS, or RS? Which one? Which one is like the man standing? This one is saying what? QS is saying, you see down here? This looks like the man standing. It's actually QS. Can you see that? If you cannot, you put a ruler. Put a ruler where? Put a ruler on the base. You take a ruler, you put it. The ruler now would have a square part like that. So now you can see the 90 degrees. This is the base, the height must be down here. So which one is like, oh, this one is not what? This one is not, oh, this one is like the height. Can you see, you look, the height and this is the same. These two are the same type of line because 90 degrees. So RS is the height. Okay. The last one. This is the height now. Where is the base? This is the height. Where is the base? Anyone? Okay, we have a few answers. Let me just check. PQ. PQ is not the, okay. PR. Okay, no. Down here, where's the base? VU. Okay, VU, but you must extend to VT. Down here is the base. That means you have a, okay. So you have an issue now down here. Okay, what I'll do is I will send you this worksheet. What you all do, you all need to draw. You need to turn, you print it out. Okay, I will send you this worksheet down here now. If this is the height, down here is the base lah. Because down here is where the man is standing. Can you see now? Okay. Down here now is the height. So the base is here 90 degrees. Now maybe you need to do this on a piece of paper. So what I'll do, I will send you guys this worksheet. This worksheet comes from 3 books now, your 3 textbooks. There's 3 textbooks right in the market. So you try to do them. Okay, we move on, okay? Down here, maybe it's this one, for example. I need to show you all how. How do I show you? Okay, never mind. we move on to the formula for the area, okay? All right, we move on formula for the area. Okay, so you must remember down here, if I were to draw the triangle, ada lagi marker. Okay, down here, if this is the base, okay, this is the land, right? The man must stand like that on the land. Can you see now? So the height is here lah. This is the height. Okay, this is the bottom, the base. So the height is here. So this is the height. So there is a formula. The formula to find the area is half times base times height. Okay, can you write this down in your book? The formula is half times the base times the height. That's why you must know where is the base and the height. If you do not know where the base and height is, you cannot find it. Okay, so now if let's say the base is 10 cm and the height is 6 cm, you take half, base is 10 times 10 times height is 6 cm. So you can reduce, divide by 2, you get 1, divide by 2, you get 5. 5 times 6, 30. So the answer is 30 square cm. Okay, we will try again. We will try again, all right? We will try again. But you see here, you just take the base and the height, you times together and must times by half. What is half? Half means divide by 2. Okay, what is half? Half means divide by 2. Let's say I want half of your money. I want you to divide it by 2 and give it half to me. Give one part to me, you take one part. So half means is divide by 2. See, that's why we write 1 over 2. Or you can write half times base times height. So we will go now to the formula. Yeah. They tell you now. Okay, now you must know which one is the. They give you some numbers. You see, that's why if you do not know where the base and height is, you must find the t now. Okay, the base and height, you must find the t. They will meet each other like that down here. So what is the base down here? The base is 20. This is the base. Can see now. This is the base. Where is the height? You mean 90 degrees. This is the height. This is h, the height. This is base. What 28? 28 is a 28. They're just trying to trick you. So can you try and find out what is this? Half times base times height. You want to find the area. Can you try? Find out what is the area. Okay, then we check your answer in a moment. Don't worry about the 28. This is not the height. Can you see there's a mid and 90 degrees? They show you. You take the base and the height. Okay, you put in and find out now what's the answer. Anyone got the answer? Or are you all lost?
Wait, I'm nearly done.
Okay, good. Sheikh Akil, you know what to do? Sheikh Akil, what's the base? How many cm is the base? This one's base, How many?
26 cm.
20 cm. There, I write on your base. Base. 20 cm. What's the height, Sheikh Akil? Height. Height is 26 cm. Okay. What's your answer?
260.
All right. So you can put like that. Okay. So how to do? Down here you can divide by 2, you get 1. You divide by 2. So? What happened? Am I lagging or you lagging? So 10 times 26 is 260. Yes. I think you're lagging, nah?
I need to use KCF or not?
What is it?
Need to use KCF or not?
KCF? What is KCF?
Mama, we need
You can use
to use KCF.
What is KCF? What is KCF? What is KCF? What is KCF? I don't know what the KCF is. KCF is what? What is KCF? What is KCF? K stand for
Need
no. What is KCF?
need to use KCF or not?
What is KCF? I don't know what the KCF is.
No,
What
this cancelling method that one.
Can. You can use cancelling method. No problem. Can if you want to. No problem.
Allah.
Now, if you don't want to cancel, it's okay. You can use your calculator for now, so no problem. Okay. Or if you're confused by that, take top times top times top. 1 times 20 times 26 divide by 2. You can up to you. Okay, we try now. The next one we try. We try the next one now. Okay, we go to question B. Okay, we go to question B. Okay, we go to question B. Now you ask yourself which one is the base, which one is height. Righty. Which one is the base, which one is the height? They must meet at 90 degrees.
The base is 18.
Okay, base is 18, correct. Okay, this is the base. I write the base here. I write B here. B is the base. Base 18.
For
Height
is 26.
26, but they don't meet at 90 degrees.
Oh, 24.
24. Can you see not? You meet at 90 degrees. What down here there? This is 24. Then you meet at 90 degrees. So this is the height. So now you need to do is you write half times base times height. Okay, half times base times height. You write the formula area, half times base times height, and then you'll get it. So this one now is a trick number. They want to trick you. 26 is a trick number. So you write half. You can use times base times 18. Times stuff lazim. What's wrong with my right? Hold on, times. This thing doesn't seem to work. Times 24.
Found the answer.
Okay, what's your answer?
216.
216. Okay, you can use a calculator also if you want to. But I need you to understand how to do. 216. Yeah. Okay. Working is correct. Okay, you can use your calculator, no problem. If you want to use your phone, no problem. 216 is the correct answer. So now, if you want to use by cancellation method, this is where your timetable's got to be good, okay? So you can put over 1. Then you divide by 2, you get 1. You divide by 2, you get 9. So the answer is 9 times 24. So you try once 9 times 24, you will get 216. You are correct. Okay. 216. And the unit is square cm. Cm and a square out here. Okay. So now we move on to the next one now. Okay, we move on to the next one, this one, which is this one out here, C. You must find out again. There are 2 lines that meet at 90 degrees. One is a base, one is a height. Okay, I tell you what, which one do we cancel? You ask yourself, which number do we cancel? Do we cancel number 7? Do we cancel number 24 or 25? Which one?
20.
They don't meet at 90 degrees. Only
25.
25 you see. Okay, let's see 25. This one, 7 and 24, they meet at 90 degrees. So it's okay. You can take this as base, this as height, or this as base, this as height. 25 you don't use. So how? Just take half times, you can put the 7 here, no problem, times 24.
I know.
Okay. Then how to cancel?
The 2.
2 divided by 2, you get 1, and then?
The 24.
24. You can go to get 12, divide by 2, get 12. Then your answer is 7 times 12.
12.
What's your
and
answer?
it will be 7 times 12 is 84.
84. Wow, he does mentally, yeah. Okay, 7 times 12 is 84. Is it correct? Yes, it's correct. So then you put the unit there. Square cm. So let us review. Let us review, okay? Let us review. Okay, I'm gonna. So we review what we're gonna review. The base and height always meet at 90 degrees. You cancel out the 25. Why? Because one is, if this is the base, this one is the height. Or this is the base, this one is the height. No problem. So now we go to the earlier part. Okay, the earlier part. Okay, earlier part down here. See, there's only two numbers that meet at 90 degrees. All right, down here, you see, only this and this. This one you don't need to use, you cancel out. Can see not? So now the same thing. We go now to the next one down here. All right, what about the next one? Look, there's only two numbers that meet at 90 degrees. This and this. This one you cancel out. Why? Because you got 90. They're trying to trick you. So one is the base, the other one is the height. So if you know the base and height, you just times half times 20 times 26, half times 18 times 24, half times 7 times 24. That's what you need to do. Once you know that, you know how to do it. Okay? If you are still a little bit blur on base and height, inshallah, we'll come to it in a moment now. Down here. Okay, sometimes this one is easier for you to turn it around. So I'll draw it for you upside down if you want to. But okay, never mind, never mind. We do this another way. We don't do this, don't do this. We do this one here. We do this one. We want two of the lines that meet at 90 degrees. Which two lines meet at 90 degrees? That's the two lines you need. The one that does not meet at 90 degrees, you don't need that line. You can cancel that line. Which two lines meet at 90 degrees?
8 and wait, it's not 8. It's not 8.
Then,
The below and 35. Because
okay.
8 isn't the full. 8 isn't
Okay,
the
yeah.
full.
But you take the 8, you're correct. This and you're correct, because this line, if we draw right to the end, can you see this one and this one here? They meet at 90 degrees. So they meet at 90 degrees. So this one is out. Once this one is out, you don't need to bother already. You just take half times base times height. Half times the two numbers. You can get it already. You see? Half times what? Times 8.
Times 8 equals times 35.
8 and 35, yes.
Times 35
Okay, now after this, we will ask.
equals
We can cancel, divide by 2.
the 2 cancel to 1 and then the 8 cancel to 4.
Okay, so those of you who don't know what's happening here, some of you have not learned the cancelling method, so maybe you are confused. So I'm going to show in slow motion. When you cancel, it means this, you reduce, divide by 2. 2 divided by 2, you get 1. Oh, get 1. Then if I divide this by 2, I must also divide this by 2. That's what Raidi means. I divide by 2, I get 4. Oh, like that. And then how?
And then 35 times 4.
35 times 4 is the answer, because all the rest are all 1. You don't need to worry.
35 times 4 equals
Yeah, so
to 140.
140.
140. 140 what? You look at this meter, so must be square meter. Okay. So the same thing, we try for the next one. Next one, one of the numbers you don't need to use, you can cancel out. So we ask Sheikh Akil now, which number do we cancel out now? 10, 29, or 20? Which one? You must choose the two numbers that meet at 90 degrees. One of them don't meet. Akil, which one don't meet at 90 degrees? Which number can we buang? Nak buang number, buang number. Nak buang number ni. 10, you nak buang 10, 20 or 29? Which one nak buang?
20.
20. But you look down here, 90 degrees, 90 degrees.
10.
10 and 90, this one, they join together lah. The one that doesn't join together is which number?
Oh,
It's
29.
Can you see 90? They show you the 90 degrees. So now what do? You take half times 10 times 20. Okay.
I saw something.
Yes, you
I
found
saw
what is it?
something.
What is
Okay,
that?
so 1/2 times 10 times 20,
Yeah. So
and
how
then
to do
and then
this one?
and then and then you can multiply the 20 and 10 by the 10 change the 2 change into 1, and then the 10 change into 5, and then the 20 change into 10. So it'll be 5 times 10, which will be 50.
Cannot be. You only cancel one only.
Oh,
You must choose one.
10 because
10. So divide by 2, you get 1. Divide by 2, you get 5. Don't do double cancel.
equals 100.
100. How do you know 100? You cover the 0. 5 times 2 gets 10. Then add the
Put a
0.
0.
So is it cm square? Square cm? You agree?
No. Meters.
Meters. Because they give meters here, you must use meters. Now, if you are feeling blur, you must watch the video. Try again, watch the video, try to follow again. Okay. Okay, but so now let us review again. Let us review. Okay. Let us look again at the earlier two again. So down here, we are searching for two numbers that meet at 90 degrees. So what are the two numbers? Is 20 and 10. You can see what? They meet each other, they meet at 90 degrees, like that. Pang. All right. This one doesn't meet at 90 degrees. Same thing now. We go up down here. These two now meet at 90 degrees. So these are the two numbers. All right. We'll try the next one. We'll try the next one. Okay. Okay. This G and H. Can you try to do? You try to cancel out one of the numbers here. Later cancel out one of the numbers here. And then you choose. Yes,
The one
yes,
just
yes.
now,
What you say? You're on mute.
the one just now one is not clear yet.
Not clear yet. Okay. So I'll have to rewind and put down here. This one, is it? This one. Okay, so this one down here. Okay, the rest, if you are clear, you go to G and H. So this one, can you see? This line, Shakil, if you extend the line, you will meet this at 90 degrees. Okay. So down here now is the base. This is the height. Okay. So you must take half. What is the base? The base is 10. Okay. And then times the height. The height is 20. So now you can do a few ways. You don't want to cancel it, never mind. 1 times 10 is 10. 10 times 20 is 200. Is 200.
So it's 100 je.
Then 2 times 1 times 1 is 2. Then you can reduce, divide by 2. 1, divide by 2, you get 1. So answer is 100. But 100 what? 100 what's the unit?
100 milliliters.
Not milliliters. Look at the meter lah, meter. Meter square. You must put area because area must have a small 2. Okay, then you try G and H then. Try G
Done.
and H. Done. Okay, let me check now.
For number H, I had to do not mentally, but then G I did mentally.
G did mentally, Okay, let us see now. Okay. G is so sorry. It is, okay, it's correct. G. H is not correct. Your G is correct, your H is not correct. Okay, so if you find, let's say by the end of this lesson,
Okay,
you're
I
still
found it.
unsure about the
H.
height and base, I will call you back for remedial, okay? Remedial means on Zoom lah. All right? You have to be very clear about base and height. And I may have to teach you one by one. If let's say in a group is tough, okay, so I hope you are open to the idea of me giving you an extra lesson on recognizing the base and height. Okay, Akil, you're upside down. Okay, don't worry. Now Akil, I draw Akil upside down. So we ask you what is the base, what's the height. Now Akil, don't turn Akil. Now this here Akil he's like that. His body now in the leg is like that, correct? Can you see not? So this is now the base for Akil.
I'm not upside down je.
This is now the base, and this one is the height. Can you see why? Because it meet at 90 degrees a while ago. Now all of you are, your base is down here, your height is this way. You will meet at 90 degrees. Always, they will meet at 90 degrees. So you always look up for something like that, like this, or meet at 90 degrees. So one is base, one is height. One is base, one is height. So you try G first. Righty, you try your H again. Your H, something is wrong. Cannot be too low. Very low, Righty. Down there, your answer doesn't have a triangle, Righty. Okay, we ask Shafia. Shafia, this 12 is the base.
Chief answer. I found it.
Okay, hold on.
Or is it correct?
Okay, I think it's not yet correct. Never mind. We'll come to in a moment. Shafia, please look at question G. Shafia, tell me now. This I'm gonna draw for you the base. This is the base. Where's the height? Is it 12 or 20?
12.
12. So you got the height ready, what? So now just take half times base. What's the base? Base is also 12 times 12. Height is also 12. So you put on half times 12 times 12. Then what do we do? Shakil, we can reduce it, divide by 2, you get 1. Divide by 2, you get 6. 6 times 12? 6 times 12 is how much? 72. 72 square meter. But the question some people may ask, how come the height is down here? There's no triangle here. But this is the Senget man. Imagine now you have a man, Senget, he's standing like that. He stand, his leg like that. Like that. So what to do? You must still use a ruler, straight ruler, and measure. You say, no, it's tulang and Senget, What to do? Let's say now you have this man, his height is like that. This is how he's bongkok lah. You still need to use your ruler, measure like that. This is the height. You say, no, I want to use ruler like that. Cannot. Because why? You must match with the ground. This is the ground he's standing on. He's standing on this ground. It must meet at 90 degrees. When you go and take your height, your teacher will put the ruler on the wall, right? Correct, right? This is the ruler on the wall. And then you have to stand on here. Remember not? You take your height like that, right? Right? This thing must be straight. Straight to what? Straight to the ground. It must be 90 degrees with the ground. So same thing. Your base and height must be 90 degrees. Okay, so we try now. The next one. Let us see who can get next one. Akil, don't give up, Akil. Your head is Senget already. Head is Senget. It's okay. Head Senget is okay. We try. Now, Shakil, where is the base? Is 30 the base or 6 the base? You must have a triangle,
30.
30, good. So this is 30. So now number 1. Righty, can you see 30 down here? Because it's base, this is like the bottom of the triangle. So now, which one meet at 90 degrees? 6 or 15? Shakil. Which one meet at 90 degrees? 6 or 15? Which one can make a T?
90 as 6.
6 is straight line. Down here you can
15,
see
15.
Down here you can see. If I put this like that and this one like that, can you see they meet at 90 degrees now? Like that and like that. Can you see? If you put it together, it become like that.
Wait.
So now half times what? Times 30 times 15. You can use your calculator, no problem. Okay, I want you to you want to use calculator, please use your calculator.
Can I say?
Yeah, what's your answer?
Okay, so the 1 out of 2 divide the 30.
Okay, you divide by 1, 30 divided by 2, you get 15. So now you must get 15 times 15.
Yes.
So what is 15 times 15?
15 times 15 is Uh, 15 times 15 is. Wait, let me do my equation. Let me do my equation.
15 times what, sir?
15 times 15. It's half times 30 times 15. Now you reduce, become 15 times 15.
It will be 220.
225.
I got 900.
900. I get 900. 15 times 15, not 50. No. So now 15 times 15, you're not so sure. We write 15 times 15. Okay, we do down here. 5 times 5, 25. 1 times 5, 5 plus 2, 75 here. Then put a 0 in here. 5 times 1, 5. 1 times 1, 1. 5 plus 0, 5. 7, get 12. 7 becomes 225 square meters. Okay, they say when you come to something new, you become confused. This is something really, really true. Let's say first time you see Antu. You know jinns exist, right? So one day you're walking, you see a jinn. Although you may know what a jinn is, you have seen videos about it and all, you will still become confused, you might become scared also. Same thing, because you are now for the first time learning about triangles. It's a base and height. I never heard. Always learn length and breadth, length and breadth. Now suddenly it's base and height. You become confused. It's okay. Okay, confused means you're a normal human being. But we will try again. We will try again the next lesson and the next lesson and the next lesson until you become familiar. So the first time, like you go inside a new neighborhood, you go and shift, let's say from you're living in Bedok, you shift to Woodlands. First time you go around, you might get lost. Sesat, no. Then crying near the bus stop. Why? Lost. Is it normal to be lost? Yes. Same thing when you learn something new, something get lost. I do not know what the teacher is talking. Never mind. Some will understand faster, some will understand slower. It's okay. But you must keep on trying. Don't you say, first time I go to my new neighborhood, I got lost. I will be lost forever. I'll be kidnapped. No. You can always go to the policeman. Policeman is like a teacher. Or you can take a bus to the MRT station. After a while, you will get used to the place. No, you know, oh, down here there's a shop. Down here, this is the way to my school. Same thing for maths. First time you see the triangle base and I say, wow, what is this teacher talking about? Normal, no? Later on, there'll be other forms of knowledge you're going to learn. You might feel very confused. Say, what is this? Okay, this is normal. Huh? Okay, so I want you to keep on telling yourself, it's okay. If I'm confused, it's okay. Okay, I'm still going to try and make sure that I understand. We move on to the next one. Okay, now we try down here. This one is easier. They give you the base, they give you the height. Can you see meet at 90 degrees? Find the area, please. Half times base times height. You can do this. And go, please. Go. You can do this. Find the area. They don't give you any three numbers.
I know.
Okay, but send your answers to me so that the rest can do. Can also, otherwise they hear your answers. Come, Shafia,
15, sir.
15. How you get 15? Let us see how you get 15. You must write the formula. Say 4. Write the formula. What's the formula? Write down the formula. Okay, what is the formula? Half times base times height. You write down half times base times height. So this is now the height. This is the base. What's your answer? Don't we wait for the rest also.
I did say in chat.
Okay, you say in chat. Okay, I'm going to check the check. Half times 6 times 9. Then some say, but why you write the 6 first? Why don't you write? No, doesn't matter. Now you say, I want half times height times base. Okay. Half times base times height. Okay. Okay, for me, I like to see where I can cancel. See, I can divide by 2, I get 1. I can divide by 2, I get 3. 3 times 9, 3 times 9, 3 times 9. Let's see whether 3 times 9 is 27 square cm. Raidi, you got 27? Okay, congratulations. Now we are going to move on to the next one. Okay, we are starting quite easy, right? They give you which one is base, which one is height. This is from one book. Just now from another book. Sometimes they might give you additional, they might give you down here, let's say now. Okay, they might give you this number, they might say, this number, let's say, they say down here is 10. Then you must choose which one is base and height. Don't choose the 10, this is a trick number. These two, they meet at 90 degrees. You know it's 6 and 9. So you take half times 6 times 9. Don't bother about the 10. Don't think they give a number here. I need to find out what the number, I need to use the number. No need, no need, no need. Okay, so let us see here. Okay, we are going to move on to the next one. Here we go. Now, if a little bit confused, it's okay. Can you try B? They also give you the base and the height. The answer is 90, is it? Ready? Okay, let us see. Sheikh Akil and Shafia and Naomi, what number do I write for base? Times what?
15 out of 1.
1501, and the other number is? Times?
Times 2.
12 over 1. Why times 12?
Okay.
Because this is the
Wait,
height.
wait.
You try then, you try. You can use a calculator. You can cancel this 2 and 12. You see, but there's a 15 in the middle. Never mind. Can, don't worry. You can cancel. But you only cancel 1. Don't go and cancel 2. Shafia cannot, Shafia. Oh, Shafia. Cannot. Then you have to see me again. Okay? We have to meet up again.
Can I put one reminder on the screen? Thank
Yes.
you.
What's the reminder? Remember to eat ice cream. What sort of reminder is that? Where's the reminder? I cannot see the reminder.
$90.
Yes. 90. Okay. So now what do? We can cancel. Remember to multiply. Okay. Now down here, you divide by 2, you get 1. You divide by 2, you get 6. Now all there's 1, 1, 1 at the bottom. So you just take the top one. 15 times 6, you get 90 lah. 90 what? Square meters. Why you use square meters? Because this is meter down here. All right. You must use the square. Okay, now we move on to the next one. We move on to the next one. The next two, you try next two. Okay, C and D. What are the answers for the area for C and D? Congratulations, Mr. Riley, for the first one, C. Naomi, are you okay, Naomi? No response. Okay.
C
Congratulations
is
again. C is what?
35.
Congratulations. Well done, Mr. Akil. Okay, so let us go.
Did I get correct? Did I get correct?
Yes, both you got correct. Well done. So now down here, again, they give you the base and the height. Okay, so now half times base is what? 7 times 10 or 10 times 7 doesn't matter. Okay, doesn't matter. Okay, some you write 10 first, 7 first, doesn't matter. Now you ask yourself, can you reduce? Some of you do not know what is doing. If you do not know what this is, we are doing, then you just times the top. 1 times 7, 7 times 10, 70. Okay, you can do this way also. Some students are confused, then you can do that. Then 2 times 1 is 2 times 2, 2. Can. But in the end, you also need to divide. You will get 35. Down here, how do? We divide by, see, I divide by 2, I get 1. 2 divided by 2, I get 1. If I divide the bottom, I must divide the top by 1 or number. So divide by 2, I get 5. 7 times 5, I can go straight 35 square meters. Now this one, and the next one. Shakil, you got the next one ready? What about Shafia? You got? Same thing, Shafia, this one. Half times base is 15 times height is 6. You can reduce. So, Raidi, what do? We divide by 2. Yes?
Then you divide the 6 into 3, and then 15 times 3, which will be 45.
45. See, after a while, you find it's not challenging. If let's say once you get to know it, not challenging. It's like walking. Last time when you were young, you are still a toddler, you want to walk, it's so difficult to walk.
35.
Now when you want to walk, you say, it's nothing great, I can walk. But once you become old like me again, you say, oh, want to walk fast, why, it's something great also. Why? Because cannot walk straight. Kaki bengkok already. Good thing, It's a sad story. Okay, now you can see Shaki like Spider-Man. So
45.
45, Alhamdulillah. Okay, now we try the next one. Now again, they give you again. You try, you see they give you down here, you try 2A and 2B. Find the area of each. Notice this one, they give you the height and base. You're very lucky. Okay, if they give you this one, this is not the height because it's not 90 degrees. This one is also not 90 degrees. Can you see now? This one is only in the 90 degrees. Raidi says the answer is this. Okay, congratulations, Mr. Raidi, for question number A.
I don't know why, but I think I became Spoolie Man.
Spider-Man 2.
Sir, 84, sir, for A.
Yes.
84. Congratulations. All right. So, okay. So, how did Mr. Akil and Raidi get 84? So, half times the base. The base is here, there, the base, bottom, times 14. And the height times 12. But how come the height is like that? Because it must meet at 90 degrees. You put your ruler down here. You don't follow your ruler, senget. Okay, cannot. So times 12. So can you see, divide by 2, you get 6 times 14 equals to 84. Okay, 84 what? Square meters. Okay,
So
Raidi,
next,
maybe
please.
maybe
Next
you
one,
do the
please.
Next one,
please.
you will do number 3 and number C and D lah.
Sure. Sure.
Yes,
Sure.
yes,
B
yes.
is 160.
Congratulations, also. Congratulations, well done. Okay, so if you are getting it, yeah, sometimes they might give you extra numbers. You got to know where's your base and height. So you try now. You try into question C, and if you finish, you can do onto D.
Sure. For C is 48.
48. Congratulations. Tahniah pada Encik Akil yang telah memberi jawapan yang betul. Dan dia akan menerima hadiah free meal at McDonald's. Sponsored by, okay, ready, correct? Sponsored by Mummy.
Sudah.
Sudah. You finish your last one?
Yes, yes, yes.
Let us see, yeah.
Sure.
And
Sure.
yes, correct.
D is 39.
Well done. Okay, correct. Well done. Okay. If you're confused, let's say you're still confused, you say, I do not know what this is. Okay, never mind. You watch the video again. You know you have to watch the video, not? Okay. You just go to the YouTube
Go watch
channel.
your YouTube channel.
Is there. Our upload, whatever that we do,
Oh.
even at the lower, at the primary, lower level and all that, they also be there. Okay, let's see now. We look down here. Okay, this is my family channel. Okay, let's say that we put it here, YouTube. You go to YouTube. Okay, and then you just type Mr. Shahid Zoom tuition. Okay, you can put 2021 if you want to. Can you see Mr. Shahid Zoom tuition 2021? You see this boy? You know who is this boy not? I think he's inside this class.
I don't know who that boy is.
Okay, so he's wearing the same baju now. Okay, so you go down here. This is the playlist now. There's so many down here playlists. You look at the site down here. You'll be able to see the lessons we had. Okay, down here. All right. This
I
some of
gave
the.
that video a like. I gave that video a like.
Okay, thank you. So what I'll do now is I will make sure maybe I'll create another playlist. The playlist is gonna be, you can next time click here, and then I'm gonna put a playlist primary 5. I will put primary 5. Then you all can just click there. You have all the lessons. You see, you even have the maths remedial. Some of them, they're remedial. I'll even put it down here.
Che, why you show the money, Che?
I was teaching the people in Indonesia.
And then what you ask money there?
Yeah, I said this is US dollar. If you answer this question, I'll give you this money. Okay.
Then you gave a coin, right?
I gave them the money. Some of them want the money. Give it to them at $5 US. The teachers, they are all teachers being trained. They also need to have some motivation. So okay, we will meet each other next week. I'm sorry about last week. Okay, last week I missed.
Wait,
Maybe next Sunday. Next Sunday, this coming Sunday. Then one more week, 7 days. All right, before school reopen, and then we will try.
No, Wednesday have or not, Che? Wednesday.
Yes. Please come. Your mother say you must come at 5.
Oh,
I don't want to come.
Wednesday,
You
my
want to
birthday.
come? Why you don't want to
Wednesday, my
come?
birthday.
Wednesday your
my
birthday.
birthday.
Okay. All right, we have to celebrate his birthday then, inshallah. Are you gonna buy a present for all of us? No.
I celebrating going to my house. Yeah.
To your house. Okay,
Yeah.
inshallah. So we'll all pay you a visit, inshallah. Okay, see you next Sunday then. Assalamu